Hey, it's me again. We've got the Bring a Trailer auction that's going to pop off here in the morning, and I figured I better get a cold start video going. I'll do a walk around and the driving videos later, but at least this one will get us kind of started. So let's pop the hood here, and I guess I should. Oh man, that's cold. Maybe I should pop in a little temperature gauge. Do you guys care? Okay, just trust me. It's cold. It's been in the garage. I haven't driven it. Exhaust tips. Anyway, this will be easy. Let's just pop in and give her a whirl here. Sorry for the herky jerky on the on this. Take it out of gear. It's unlocked. Keys and juice and. There's the idle. And temps. Little gauge will kick in once it gets warmed up. It kind of shoots up. Temperature gauge work. Clock works, and cool enough the battery doesn't die when you leave it running with the clock all the time. Anyways, hop out of here. I'll go through more with the walk around video, but everything works. Everything's happy. Spent the last 2 years making it fun to drive and back to its normal self. So I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you again soon. Bye.